We all need energy to do work. Machines also need some sort of energy to perform their task. So, we call energy as the capacity of doing work. In certain cases, we need energy in the form of heat. From our previous knowledge, we know that the substances that produce heat on burning in air are called as fuels. For example, oil, natural gas, coal. These are all fuels. They burn in the presence of air to give us heat energy. Keeping all these points into consideration, we are going to learn about different sources of energy. These sources of energy are classified into different categories. The first classification is on the basis of their occurrence. Then the classification is on the basis of their physical state. And the third classification is on the basis of their availability. Now let us study all these classifications separately. The first category of classification is on the basis of their occurrence. On the basis of their occurrence, the energy sources are divided into two categories: natural sources and synthetic sources. What are these natural sources? These natural sources are solar energy, wind energy, and hydro energy. Solar energy is energy from the sun. Wind energy is the energy from the blowing wind, and hydro energy is the energy from flowing water. Hydro means water. So it is the energy that we obtain from water. Then we have synthetic sources. Synthetic sources are the chemical energy, and the chemical energy that is stored in the batteries. You know, the battery, there are chemical reactions that are taking place inside the battery, and those reactions give us energy. Now, I am showing some examples of these sources here. Natural sources. What is this? This is a solar panel. This is a solar panel. The rays of the sun fall on the panel, and these rays then, after undergoing certain processes, it converts into electrical energy. So we get electricity from the solar panel. Solar panels are used in water heating system also. In the street lights, solar panels are used. So it has got many uses, and we are using the energy from the sun, and sun is a natural source of energy. The second one is, here the picture is of a windmill. This is a windmill, and there are many windmills here. You can see, when the wind blows, these windmills, the blade of the windmills move with high speed, and that energy of the moving blades is converted into electrical energy. So from the blowing wind, we generate electricity. Fine. Here, this is a picture of a dam. Water is flowing from a great height. It falls in a dam, and when it falls down, this energy of the falling water is converted into electricity. So these are all natural sources. The sun, the wind, and the water, they all give us energy. Basically, electrical energy is obtained from these natural sources. Then we have this synthetic source. Synthetic source is a battery. Chemical energy is used here, and that chemical energy is getting converted into electrical energy, and we get this electrical energy for the working of so many devices. These batteries, they are of different shapes and different sizes according to the apparatus or the machine in which it is to be fitted. Here we have a watch. A button cell is used here for the functioning of the watch. I have a picture of a drone here. Inside the drone also, battery is used to make the drone work. Fine. We have calculators and we have toy cars, and otherwise also, you know, in the simple watches that we hang on our walls, there are so many places where these synthetic source, that is the battery, is used to generate energy.